Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wall Family Life and I am Jessica, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Stitch Fix and also try the clothes on. If you're anything like me, you've probably heard about Stitch Fix, but unless someone you know basically does the service, you're kind of not sure whether or not you should try it. So for me, I saw somebody that I know do a Stitch Fix box, and they really loved it, and everything they had was really cute. So I wanted to try it for myself, so I got one. This is actually my second box, but I wanted to show you basically what it is and the quality of it. I really enjoy it. I'm not the person that goes out to the store to buy something. It's just I'd rather buy it for my kids. Got 3 kids, so I'd rather buy it for them than for me. So this basically takes the pressure out of trying to decide in the store whether or not to buy it or put it back or whatever. So they send it to you, and they give you 3 days to basically try it on, see if you got stuff in your closet that goes with it, whether you like it, whether you don't like it, and then send back what you don't like. And it's pretty simple. I personally like it. But I'm going to just show you what I got. So it comes with a prepaid bag, so you can send back what you don't want. They're only going to charge you for what you get. So basically you pay $20 for them to do the stylist and for them to pick out stuff. You do different quizzes online. It's very in tune to what you like. So whether you like it or whether you don't, you tell them. So the $20 is all you pay, and then if you buy something, that $20 goes towards what you buy. So you're not losing out. The only way you lose out is if you don't get anything at all. But, I mean, they took time to style you. So the $20, I mean, they're getting paid for something. So I think it's not bad. But the bag, they have to send it back in, already prepaid. And then they send you 5 items. I'm very casual. So when I pick stuff, it's usually jeans and a t-shirt, and then I tell them to kind of put in something that kind of gets me over the hump of t-shirt and jeans. So maybe a nice shirt to go out with if I need to go out, or whatever it may be. So I'm going to show you. So this first top is really cute. So it's this black one with some flowers on it. Cold shoulder, got some detail on the back. Really cute. The material is I forget how to describe it, but it's almost silky-ish. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels nice. It's nice. It's nice quality. I'll show you in a minute what they look like on. Next one is a sweater, and it's got a cute little knot here, so it comes up just a little bit. It's two-tone, and it's one of those things where you look at it and you say, I don't know if I like that. That's what I did with this shirt. I said, I don't know if I'm going to like that. But that's what's great about this box. You can try it on and see if you like it. And I ended up really liking this shirt, and I would have never picked it. Just seeing it on a hanger in a store, because I would have never even tried it on. I would have left it there. And with this, I don't have to worry about taking it to a dressing room. Or right now, you can't really even go to a dressing room. But I didn't have to worry about that. I just did it here in my house, talk to my husband, and be like, do you like this? Should I like this? And then kind of went from there. The next thing are some jeans. So this kind of stays within my comfort zone. So the jeans are really cute. They have different designs that you choose from, whether you like it, whether you don't like it. So I'm pretty much like any type of jean, as long as it's not too much pleated detail or anything like that. But basic pair of jeans. Those. Also, another sweater. With it getting colder, definitely comes in handy. This one's like a greenish color. This one I like because you can really, for me, I wear tank tops, but you can pretty much like see through it. Not sure if you can tell, but you can see through it just a little bit. So I mean, like, you could see your skin tone. But I mean, it's not like, oh my gosh, you're wearing like a see-through shirt. It's just in certain spots. So I mean, that's really comfort level on what you would wear, but it's a basic, you know, but it has enough detail to where it's not like, okay, you just got a shirt on. And then the last thing, right? 1, 2. Yeah, okay. So the last thing is another sweatshirt. Definitely my style. I'm very plain, and it's just how I've been. It's just me. I'm very plain. So this was really in my alley of just, okay, that works. But I'll try these on in just a minute. I do want to say what they do give you in this envelope, which I really like because my husband says I can't match, which is fine. He helps. But it's basically just kind of a paper that shows you how to style. And they give you a little note. Just kind of going over everything. But you got different styles you could basically do. So, I don't know, just kind of give you some ideas. It's pretty neat for someone who's like, okay, what do I wear this with? Like, I've done that before. I've looked at it, I'm like, oh, well, that would go with that. That would look good. Yeah, okay. So, I mean, it just kind of gives extra ideas. And it helps, you know, to tell them what's in your closet and everything like that. What do you need? And then this just kind of goes over everything that you have, all your items, how much they cost. You get a discount if you buy all of them together. It's really nice. I'm going to start trying on outfits to kind of show you how they fit. Maybe that'll help a little bit. Be right back. Okay, so this is the first look. I will wear the same jeans throughout all the shirts, but that's just easier to kind of show you everything. But the jeans are nice. They fit really well. They're like a stretchy jean, so I mean it's got some give, but they fit really nice around the waist. And I am wearing a tank top with this. I kind of wear tank tops. It's just another layer that makes me comfortable. But of course you don't have to do that. But the jeans are nice. They're not baggy or anything, so they fit really well. And then sweatshirt. It's a good length. It's not too long. It's not too short. I'm very petite anyways, but my pants are the only thing I really get petite. Which they ask you whether or not you need petite, whether you need tall, regular. They ask you those questions, so you don't have to sit there and roll them up. I like the rolled look, and they come like this, or at least this pair did, came rolled. I think it looks great. If you want to unroll it, you can. It's not going to hurt it, depending on what your style is. But this one's really nice. Everything's pretty simple. Nothing fancy on the back. Just striped. Alright, I'll be right back with the next one. So here's the next one. This is the one I said that had a little bit of like a see-through. It's not too bad. It just depends. But this one is so that's the one that has like the see-through. But it's not bad. Again, I'm wearing a tank top. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not. But if you see gray, it's my tank top. But it fits nice again. So the detail goes all the way around the back as far as the holes, I guess to say. I like it. Just me though. I'll be right back with the next one. So this shirt is the one that I said, personally, when I opened the box, I said, I don't think I like this one. But I tried it on. First time I tried it on with leggings instead of these jeans, and I was like, yes, because for me, it was nice enough to wear somewhere, but comfortable enough, and kind of went with leggings or jeans or whatever, to where I didn't feel so much in a slump. Running around all day with the kids, it's kind of hard to be, for me. I know there's everybody out there who's puts on makeup and everything. Great. I wish I was like that sometimes, but I'm not. So for me to be able to just throw something on but still look kind of cute and not thrown away is great. So this is one of those ones that to me felt where I could put it on and still look okay. The sleeves don't come down all the way, which is fine. I like this because then I can wear bracelets or my Fitbit or watches, whatever, and it's not being covered up by my sleeve, but it's still a sweater and it's still warm, so I'm not worried about that. It's more fashion to me. So it does have the little knot detail, which is nice, and it doesn't come too high. Like my pants are here, so I mean it's below my pants, so it's not like my belly's showing. I don't like it. I don't feel comfortable. So coming below is great. The back still simple, nothing crazy in the back. The next one, it has a little bit of detail, the little tank top, which is great because it gives a little extra to it. But this is the sweater. Nice color. It feels really, really soft. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It's very nice. But yeah, this one, I give a thumbs up to this one too. Be right back with the last one. So out of all the tops in the box, I would say this is the fancy top for me. I love this top. It has the cold shoulder, has the little thin straps. The back has a little bit of a detail to it. It's nice and flowy. I did try to see what it was made out of, but it doesn't say, or at least I didn't see where it said. But it is a hand wash only shirt, so if that gives you any indication. I have felt this fabric before, usually like JCPenney or Belk or something like that on one of the nice tops. It's not cotton. Wish I knew what it was called, but I can't. But this one's nice. This is what I would wear date night, or like if I'm going somewhere and we're doing a little get together with adults or something, just so I feel a little fancier. But this is definitely a good option for me because most of my clothes are, I don't know, what most people would call slouchy. I just feel comfortable in t-shirt and jeans. So most of the time, even when it is a tank top, it's still like a t-shirt tank top, so like tie-dye or whatever. So this, I like this option because it at least gave me an option for like a dressier top. So that way I don't feel like I'm always kind of dressing like younger. I don't know what the word would be, but I don't know. I'm always the least fancy person in the group, and that's fine. It's just how I've been. But this makes me feel a little more put together. But it's still comfortable. With the cold short, it's not too tight. I can still move. And it's stretchy. It's not thick. Not thick, but it's not tight. So I can still move. I can still do stuff, which is important to me because my youngest is almost 2 and is running everywhere. So I have to have clothes that lets me run, which is very important. So this is one of those things where I feel comfortable in this if I was even out buying groceries. You know, like it doesn't feel like it's too dressy or too slumpy. Like it's just a good even. Recap in a minute. Okay, so I just want to recap because I'm not sure if I missed a few things. But Stitch Fix is actually a non-subscription clothing service, is what I would call it. So they send you clothes, whether you want it sent twice a month, once a month, once every couple months. You tell them that, and they're not going to do it unless you tell them to. As far as like, all of a sudden you get a box and you're like, oh, I didn't do this. They will let you know when your next one's coming, before it even happens. And you can also change it. Like I have mine set to once a month, but I can go in and change the date to send to where it arrives earlier or later. It doesn't matter. As long as the date's available, you can change it. You also can change the frequency in the settings. But you're not going to be charged if you don't want it. Like if you have a subscription, most of the time they're charging you monthly or bi-monthly, depending on what it is. With this, it's just whenever you want it, they charge you the $20 for them to style you. And then they send it. I mean, but you know when. You can cancel at any time. There's no obligation to it. Which I found great, because sometimes you get into something and you're like, well, I don't like this. But you're kind of at the point of trying to get out of it. And you're like, great, now how do I get out of a subscription? And too much. This is not like that at all. But they send 5 pieces. I've seen people get shoes and jewelry and all these other things. They even ask about handbags, what kind of handbags I buy, coats. So there's a lot of options, lots of different styles. It's mostly just going up there and telling them what your style is. Of course, everybody's different, so make sure you do the questionnaire. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. And I'm going to link a code, which technically, yeah, I get money from it, but it's the refer program. So this is not a paid sponsorship video, but you get $25 just for using my code. So why not do it? But I'm going to link it below in my description. But I want to know, have you tried any clothing lines like this, as far as where they send you a box of something or whatever? Have you tried a clothing service like this? Let me know in the comments, and then we can kind of discuss it and see what the other options can be. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for the next video.